When people don't understand what you're doing, they said go and get a job. So I'm going to talk about a website that's going to pay you at least $100 per day or more by doing your micro jobs. This website is fantastic. I already signed up and everything, and I'm going to talk about how you can sign up and all the requirements and all the payout and how you can get the money and how you can do the task and everything. But before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Also don't forget to like my videos in the end of the video, so watch the entire video and I'm going to show you entire method. And if you really like my video, guys. The website is called microworkers.com. You can go and sign it up. It's free to sign up, and there's a lots of jobs are available. These are called micro jobs. There's a transcription job, survey jobs, data mining, translation, image quality test, YouTube subscribe jobs, YouTube like and comment jobs, Google search jobs. Lots of jobs are there. You can see it from here. Is you can go and check it out this website. What you have to do, you have to go and click register and sign up the account, guys. I already signed up, so I'm gonna log in and show you inside. Now when you join inside, this is the screen you're gonna see. In the top bar it said jobs, and this function you can post jobs. Okay, if you want to grow your YouTube channels, you can post I'm going to talk about now that you can pay for each comment and subscribe and like, guys, so something like that. But you need to click jobs, and it will open up this section here. You can see qualification testing, website testing, mobile application, surveys, sign up, click search, bookmark, Google and YouTube. So you can see from here all the tests available, and there's a total number of jobs are available here. You can see it from here, and these are the you can see 1,221 available spot. Only 347 people are completed. So you need to you can do that for the Pinterest, follow, repin, comment and share and screenshot, something like that. So if you click YouTube, and it will take to this page. You can see right now only 2 available. This person gonna pay you $37 or 37 pence for YouTube search, watch, like, comment and subscribe. So okay, only if normally they have 1 or 2 accounts or 1 or 2 videos, something. For this one, watch, like, comments, they have I've done that. It's like 4 videos. You need to watch at least half of the time, and you need to post a comment, and that's it, guys. You need to post a comment. For this one, you need to post a comment and subscribe to their channels, and you can make that money. But what you have to do when you done the task, they do how you can confirm the task. For example, for this task, I need to screenshot the comments and put it in the job section, guys. Like that, when they each task, they tell you how you can do the task and how you can post the proof of the task, so then you get paid for the exactly how much for the task. For example, if I post a comment, I screenshot and send it, post to this post, I make around 50 pence. So you can see these jobs are available. It's gonna take less than 3 minutes to watch a video and post a comments. You can see that. You can see from here, you get lots of jobs are available, and you can do that, and you can make at least $100 per day. Now we come to section 1. What are the requirements you needed? First, when you sign up, you need a separate phone number. Don't put your personal phone number here, because each time you enter the task, they need a pin to allow you in for the task. So if you put the phone number, they will send a 4-digit pin or 5-digit pin, depend on that, and you need to put that pin there, and it will allow you to do the task. So when you sign up, you need to put the phone number. I have a second phone number for this job, so I put that number. So I recommend, guys, don't put your personal phone number there. And the second thing, before you begin any task as a new tester, a new macro jobber, you need to do a small test. Don't worry, this test only gonna take less than 2 to 3 minutes to complete. It's a bullet points test. They ask a question. So for example, they give a sentence, and in the answer they give a 4 sentence and ask you to pick the right sentence format, or fill in the blank, something like that. General question, because you're gonna do the test for different sections, right? So they're gonna ask a little bit small questions. Don't worry about that. You can do that. If you fail, you can repeat that, and if you get fast, if you fast interested, you can do all all the job here. And the payout is you can pay it through PayPal or bank transfer or Skrill. For the PayPal or bank transfer Skrill, you need to have a minimum of $9 to pay out. On top of that, fee, guys. So if you want to withdraw money PayPal, you need $9 plus 7.5% of the fee. So for the $9 plus $9 worth 7.5% fee. So when you achieve that, you can click withdraw and you can withdraw that money. And it's going to take 3 to 5 working days to fulfill your payment, guys. All right, so guys, you can see from here, these are the best website to make money by doing small jobs. So if you, again, I talk about doing surveys in your free time, but if you have at least 1 or 2 hours, you can do these micro jobs and make 100 to 200 per day. I talk about 200, you can see how many jobs are available. You're going to take, if you pay 5 cents, you're going to take less than 1 minute to do it, guys. If you do every single day, I recommend you can make at least 1,000 bucks per month. But this is not a passive income, right? You are not setting up making money. This is you trading for the time for the money. But this website is more worth than doing survey for your survey, guys. So I urge you to check out this website. If you really like my videos, subscribe and like. I not promote any affiliate offers here, but I will tell you guys, you can check it out. Sign up. It's easy to sign up, free to sign up, and just go and check it out, guys. If you have a free time, do this task and earn money, guys. So see you next video. If you really like my video, guys.